considered who shaped you more than your syllabus.
Today, we acknowledge those figures and celebrate their enduring influence.
A very good evening to one and all gathered here. Education is not about filling an empty cup. It's about lighting a fire that keeps burning.
And teachers are the torchbearers who keep that flame burning across generations. It is through their guidance that knowledge turns into wisdom and learning into a lifelong inspiration.
Let us extend a wholehearted welcome to our guests as they grace the stage with their presence. अखंड मंडलाकारं व्याप्तमेन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. Salutations are to the Guru who showed me to abode, the one who's to be known, whose form is the entire universe, and by whom all the movables and immovables are pervaded. Good evening to one and all present here. I, Brahmi Maya, the Student Council President, feel truly honored to stand before you and extend a warm welcome to the august gathering present here. I am truly delighted to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest and esteemed veteran teacher, Dr. M.B. Puranik. Dr. Puranik, President of Tulunadu Education Trust, with his unwavering commitment, built and developed Sharda Vidyalaya in Mangalore. I wholeheartedly welcome you to this program, sir. Behind every successful institution, there is a visionary leader who guides, motivates, and empowers. We are truly blessed to have such a guiding light, our very own chairman, Professor Narendra L. Nayak, amongst us. With great respect, I welcome you to this program, sir. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Dr. Usha Prabha N. Nayak, our vice chairperson, perfectly embodies these qualities, directing our institution with wisdom and care. I sincerely welcome you to this program, ma'am. With a happy heart and cheerful spirit, I welcome our IT Director, Mr. Ankush N. Nayak. A cordial welcome to you, sir. It's my delight to invite architect Ms. Deepika A. Nayak, whose presence fills the gathering with joy. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. Like a melody that lingers and inspires, our respected trustee, Rafiq Khan, graces us with wisdom and warmth. With a grateful heart, welcome to you, sir. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome the guiding force of our institution, our principal, Professor Ramachandra Bhatt. With deep commitment towards academic excellence, sir is also a true mentor who inspires both teachers and students alike. A delightful welcome to you, sir. A lovely welcome to our academic committee head, Mr. Vinay Kumar. A warm welcome to you, sir. With joy in heart, I welcome our coaching head, Mr. Karunakar Balkur, and assistant coaching head, Mr. Pramod Kini, for this occasion. Happy welcome to you. In the garden, our teachers breathe new life into our learning journey. With heartfelt gratitude, I welcome all the teaching and coaching staff to grace this occasion. I also welcome our ever-supportive non-teaching staff whose care make this institution complete. A cheerful welcome to you all. To crown it all, on behalf of the Student Council, I extend a cordial welcome to my fellow students gathered here. Once again, a delightful welcome to one and all. Thank you. For beginning our celebration so gracefully. Knowledge, like a lamp, shines brighter when shared. As we light the lamp today, we honor the guiding lights, our teachers. With that spirit, I invite our honored guests to grace the stage and kindle the ceremonial lamp.
ಬೆಳಗೋಣ ಬೆಳಗೋಣ ಸ್ವರ್ಣ ದೀಪ ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯರ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದ ದೀಪ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಒಲುಮೆಯ ದೀಪ ಗುರು ಶಿಷ್ಯರ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸದ ದೀಪ ಸರ್ವಗುಣ ಸಂಪನ್ನ ದೀಪ ಶ್ರಮವೇ ಕೈಲಾಸವೆನ್ನುವ ದೀಪ ಸಮೃದ್ಧಿಯ ದ್ಯೋತಕ ದೀಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ ಎಂಬ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಭೆಯ ದೀಪ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಭೆಯ ದೀಪ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಭೆಯ ದೀಪ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಪ್ರಭೆಯ ದೀಪ
A mentor is a compass that kindles curiosity, tends the flame of knowledge, and charts the course of wisdom in each learner. Let the rhythm of our respect rise as we offer Guru Vandana, a tribute to the mentors who shape our lives. I invite Ishanvi and her team to take over.
In the rich tapestry of Indian culture, the Guru Shishya tradition stands as a sacred bond, a connection that goes beyond classrooms and syllabi, rooted in trust and guidance. Today, as we celebrate Guru Vandana, we bow with gratitude to this guiding light, offer a small token of appreciation to our esteemed dignitaries and the teachers, a heartfelt gesture that represents the deep respect we hold for you.
अनंत संसार समुद्र तारा नौकायिताभ्यां गुरु भक्तिताभ्यां वैराग्य साम्राज्यद पूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरु पादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरु पादुकाभ्यां कवित्ववाराशिनिशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावां बुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानम्रविपत्तिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्यां.
Our Gurus guide us always. Shri Gurave Namaha.
Homage to the hands that shape our tomorrow. Behind every successful institution stands a guiding presence of care and commitment. For us, that presence is none other than Dr. Usha Prabha Nayak, our esteemed Vice Chairperson. With deep respect, I now invite you, Ma'am.
Celebrate this a beautiful day, Teachers' Day. And what's more important than, my own teachers being on the stage. So, pranam to my teacher. Actually, Professor M.B. Puranik, he never taught me directly because I was a PCM student and he's from the botany department. But actually, those days were very different. Children, it's very important to understand why Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is about understanding about teachers. It's not how to be happy, how to make them happy, because within one day you cannot make anybody happy. It's a continuous process. So, it's not about directly teaching sometimes. Of course, my teacher, chemistry teacher, Muditaya sir is here. Pranam sir. Rajgopal Bhatt sir is here. And Professor Narendra Naik sir is here. Pranam sir. Of course, I've learned, few months maybe sitar from Ustad Rafiq Khan sir also. So that's what I say, that it's a wonderful day to be with your teachers. And when I was doing my BSc, even MB Puranik sir was there. In fact, I think the bonding what we shared, he forgot that he never taught me, because he taught me the life skills at every stage. I still remember he used to call me because, we are from two different institutions. He is from Sharda Vidyalaya and we are from Expert. But I think that this is a daughter institution. You know why? Because from those days when I was in college, he used to call me Magale. So that is the biggest feel what I share with Professor MB Puranik. So it's a beautiful day with all of you. So as I already said, children, when we are talking about certain days, it's important to know why do we celebrate. Is it about us today also? Because that's what it will happen. Today, see, your teachers are going to do something, some entertainment program for you. So even their day got converted into your day. Teaching profession is not like any other profession. According to me, it is not at all a profession. Maybe being engineer is a profession. Being a doctor is a profession. But being a teacher, it's not a profession. It's a lifestyle. Because I know, I have seen, because I did my post MBA after 18 years of my graduation, and I was with the 22-year-old kids, when I was celebrating my 40th birthday. And I have seen teachers, if they are seen on any social media other than sari, all my classmates used to sit together and do lots of gossip. Teacher cannot wear anything other than sari. Teacher cannot do little more makeup. You see, or tall things. Teacher cannot dance somewhere in the party. So that means we are defining not a profession, we are defining a lifestyle. That's why I said being teacher is not that easy. This is what you have to understand today. Maybe your parents are working. Because I am also born to a mother who was working till the age of 60. She was working in a school. But being teacher is very, very different. All other people after going home, of course they have chores of all the house chores, whatever they have to do. But these teachers carry your assignment and test papers also. They will be working till late night in the evening. So, simple concept of understanding life of a teacher, that is the day celebrated as Teachers' Day, according to me. Something is happening, all are looking that side. It's a very, anything happened? No? Anybody very beautiful? Yeah, very important. How important teachers are. You know, start giving respect from today itself. Because your teacher might become your father-in-law or mother-in-law later. Ask with Deepika. I'm not giving one example. Expert students, several students. I know Dr. Shivani, who is daughter of her professor from medical college. After the post-graduation, her professor and professor wife, they came to their house and they said, can we get your daughter for our son? In Mangalore, I can give 10 examples where our students have become daughter-in-laws or son-in-laws of their own professors in medical college. That's why you have a wonderful reason to respect teachers. If not anything, have a fear that maybe it is your future father-in-law or mother-in-law. What more you need? So children, it is one of the toughest profession, okay? Most toughest profession. Try to understand that. Try to respect that. If you respect, the love will come automatically. No teacher will expect that after you study, you get a job, you will bring something. What you will bring? One pen. That's what always it is brought. Okay? Which they can afford to buy. You look at those teachers. Do you think Rachana will not get job anywhere else? Okay? Look at Soumya. Okay? No, they're all so pretty. They are so intelligent. Rakshita Prabhu is there, who is a, okay, gold medalist. Do you think it is very much required to do your assignment and paper correction throughout their life? They choose this profession because they love to be with the students. So understand these simple things and celebrate Teachers' Day just to respect and love them for rest of your life. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Your guidance and values continue to motivate us. Teachers do more than impart lessons. They inspire, they awaken curiosity, and they leave an imprint that lasts a lifetime. Today, we are privileged to honor an individual who truly embodies the spirit of teaching with unwavering commitment. I now invite the dignitaries to felicitate Dr. M.B. Puranik and Zita ma'am. Department of English will read the citation.
Personality. Born in a traditional Brahmin family in rural Udupi, he chose to become a science teacher. For long, he was a biology teacher, loved, respected, and adored by students. The disciplinarian in him made him the best NCC officer in Karnataka. Meanwhile, with his matchless organizing skills, he also created forums for entrepreneurs. As an educationalist, Dr. Puranik built institutions that met the educational needs of diverse kinds of students. Rural, less privileged, and differently abled. Though deeply committed to nationalistic ideology, he never aspired power. As such, for him, service has never been a means of scaling the ladder of political success. Today, on the occasion of celebrating Teachers' Day, we at Expert PU College, Mangalore are proud to honor this veteran teacher and dynamic educationist, Dr. M.B. Puranik. We are presenting this citation on 4th September 2025.
The best teachers teach. Thank you, dignitaries. The best teachers teach from the heart, not from the book. I cordially invite our respected chief guest, Dr. M.B. Puranik, co-founder of the Sharada Group of Institutions, to address the gathering.
I am really happy. I can't express my happiness because my love and affection, attachment with Naik family, expert family, goes back many years. When Professor Narendra Naik was a young boy, a prospective bachelor, I used to have discussion with him. I had a small restaurant here. Though I was a teacher, colleague of Dr. Muditaya, I had fashion for hotel, industry, agriculture, NCC, varied things. That way, there is a say, master of all is zero, nothing. When we touch many avenues, our capability get reduced. That was the say. You should confine to one sphere only in your action. My young friends, I know how expert institution has come up. It is a hard, dedicated work of Professor Naik. Then my own daughter, Usha, has joined him, and Ankush is my own student for 10 years in Sharda Vidyalaya. I know a Rome cannot be built in a single day. So much of difficulties, ups, down, even today. What are the problems Professor Naik is facing to maintain? For people, yes, a very great, successful institution, students from all over India come here, do their pre-university and get elevated to the post whatever they want to achieve. My young friends, I know you are the best to get admission into this institution is not that easy. So much of competition, selection. After selection also, what an amount of hard work you have to do. 7 to 7, I don't know. What is the time now? 9 to 7, huh? Yes, changed. Earlier days, it was 7 to 7. And not that success has many fathers. Many say, my contribution also there. Please remember, my young friends, I'm a teacher. For the last 54 years, I joined as a teacher in St. Mary's, Shirwa in 1968 as a graduate assistant. Then I did my post-PG. Since then, I continue to be in the teaching profession. I don't say profession, as a teacher. If you ask anybody who is the successful teacher, one who loves the profession, who has got lot of attachment, love for that profession, what we do. Maybe any profession due, doctor, engineer, lawyer, auditor, or many. So you should have a love, liking for the profession first. You should love it. Second, there must be a commitment. All will not be a successful teacher, mind it. Teaching is an art. People may be having tremendous knowledge, IQ. They have got a reservation of facts and figures, Google knowledge. But he need not be successful, he or she. One has got an inborn ability to communicate, not only to communicate, to love, to understand, to measure the depth of the student. And he knows the limit. Where should I go? How much I should give? What is the level of the kid? Everything I can't dump into the mind of the children. I say teaching is a great profession if you are a born teacher. All will not be successful in this profession. Days were there. Once, if someone couldn't get suitable job earning, the last option was going for B.Ed and teaching. I quote an example of Beachy, great Kannada writer, he is no more now. I attended 42nd Kannada, Akhila Karnataka Kannada, this one, in Manipal. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಚಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ತಂದೆ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗ ನೀನು 5 ಸರ್ತಿ SSLC ಡುಮ್ಕಿ ಆದಿ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ 2 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್, ಮಾರ್ಚಿಗೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಆದವರಿಗೆ ಇವನ್ 4 ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ. ಆಗ ಮಗನನ್ನು ಕರೆದು ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಮಗ 5ನೇ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗದಿದ್ದರೆ ನಿನ್ನನ್ನು ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟಪ್ಪ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ನೀನು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಟೀಚರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿ, ಅನ್ಟ್ರೈನ್ಡ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅಥವಾ SSLC ಆಗದ ಫೇಲ್ ಆದವರಿಗೂ ಆಗ ಒಂದು ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಿ. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಡೇ ಒನ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಜೋಕ್. ಮನುಷ್ಯ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಫಿಟ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಕಳಿಸು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಹಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಟಫ್ ಜಾಬ್, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಜಾಬ್. ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಭಾರತದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಅಪ್ಪಮ್ಮನ ನಂತರ ನಾವು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗೌರವ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ? ದಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್. ಮದರ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್, ಫಾದರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮದರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಟೀಚರ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಮುಗ್ಧ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಯ್. ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನವೆಲ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನವಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್, ಸೈನ್ಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ್, ಎನಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ಆ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಯೋಗ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಸಿಗದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಗುವಿನ ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಅರಳಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಕೆರಳಿಸುವಂಥದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ನಾಶ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ, ಹಾಳಾಗ್ತಾನೆ. ಚಿಗುರಿನಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಮುದುಡಿದ ಹಾಗಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಟೀಚರ್, ಎ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಟೀಚ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ alone. Why the older generation of teachers like me and Moody Taya and Professor Ravindra and many more of my colleagues, we never taught only the subject chemistry, botany, physics, mathematics, etc. We used to give the values to the kids. Dr. Shashi Prabha has already said, I never taught her PCM. Mine was botany, zoology and chemistry, that branch. But as an NCC officer, as a cultural head, or maybe student welfare officer, we used to motivate the students. ನನ್ನ ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಲರ್ನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೆನಿ ವೇಸ್. ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಇದೆ, ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೆನಿ ವೇಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಎ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಯಾರು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯಿಂದ, he has to teach them with all the interest. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ who cares about the character, the values in life. I tell you, just getting a rank, excellence in the board examination doesn't make you a complete man, full man. Unless you develop your wholesome personality. Personality is not only limited to the IQ, your knowledge, mental ability, social growth, mental growth, emotional growth, spiritual growth. There are 5 different avenues to make the wholesome personality, not the structural or physical good being alone, your outlook alone. I would like to end my talk by remembering our good old days. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾತ ಮುತ್ತಾತ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುರಾಣ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರು ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಶಿಷ್ಯ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗುರುಕುಲ. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಮ. ದಶರಥ ಕುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮಂತಿಕೆ ಇತ್ತು. ಪುತ್ರ ಕಾಮೇಷ್ಟಿ ಯಾಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿ ಕುಡ್ ಗೆಟ್ 4 ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. 8 ವರ್ಷದ ರಾಮನನ್ನು ವಿಶ್ವಾಮಿತ್ರ ವಸಿಷ್ಠರ ಜೊತೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ತಯಾರಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಥರದ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಡೇಸ್ ವೆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಉಪನಯನ ಎ ಡಿಸೈಪಲ್ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಎನ್ ಗುರುಕುಲ. ಗುರುವಿನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದು ಗುರುವಿನ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಗುರು ಪತ್ನಿ ಗುರುವಿನ ಒಟ್ಟು ಆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಸುಹೊಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಗುರುವಿನ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ದೊರಕ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಡೇ. ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಗುರುಕುಲ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಒಳಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗುರುಕುಲ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ನಿರೂಪಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಆಗಲಿ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಗುರುಕುಲ ದಿ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಾಟ್. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಗುರುವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಅವರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಎಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ, ಸದ್ಭಾವನೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ವಿಚಾರ ರುಚಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್. ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಮರು ನಾಮಕರಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಪೆಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಇಡೋದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಭಾರಿ ಹುಷಾರದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ನೀವಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಆರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪುರ್ಸೊತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೀಚರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ಡ ಹೆಸರು. ಎರಡನೇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಬಹುವಚನ, ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಏಕವಚನ. ಯಾರ್ದು ಕ್ಲಾಸು? ಮುಡಿತಾಯರ್ ಸರ್ದು ಕ್ಲಾಸು. ಯಾರ್ದು ಕ್ಲಾಸು? ಎಂ ಬಿ ಪುರಾಣಿಕಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸು. ಪುರಾಣಿಕ ಮುಡಿತಾಯ ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ಕೆಲವು ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಹುವಚನ, ಕೆಲವು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಏಕವಚನ. ಅದು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಬರೋದಲ್ಲ. ಗುರುವಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆ ಸದ್ಭಾವನೆಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಏಕವಚನ, ಬಹುವಚನ, ಪ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಮ್. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವಿಚಾರ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಚಾರ ಗುರುವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದುವಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಗುರು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದರೆ ಅವನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲೈಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಹಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಲೈಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬಿಹೇವಿಯರ್, ಹಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್. ಈಗಿನ ಹಾಗೆ LKGಯ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಜೋರು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಪೆಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಮರು ದಿವಸ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕರೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕಾಲ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವತ್ತಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬ ಗುರುಗಳು ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡದೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೈ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಡ್ ಮೀ. ನಾನು ಹೋಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ಏನೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಂಕರ ಶೆಟ್ಟರು ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೂ 4 ಹೊಡಿಬೇಕಿದ್ದು ನಿನಗೆ, 2 ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀನು ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೇಷ್ಟೆಯವ, ನಿನ್ನ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ಗುರುಗಳು ಹೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದಿ ಮದರ್ ಆಫ್ ದೋಸ್ ಡೇಸ್. ಈಗಿನ ಮದರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನೋ 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 ಕಾರ್ಪೊರಲ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅವ ಓದೈತೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬಿಡಲಿ, ನನಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಪನಿಷ್ ದಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್. ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎ PTA ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಶಾರದಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ. ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ನನಗೊಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಬಂತು. ಏನು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ, ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಪನಿಷ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರು. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ವಿನಾಕಾರಣ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಹೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ದೇಹ ಮುಟ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಅನಂತರ ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ಮಗುವನ್ನು 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಂಕಟ ಆಗಿ ಅವಳನ್ನು ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ತಾರೆ. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಪೋಕರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ತಿಂದು ಹೋಗೋ ನೀ ಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೊರೋನಾ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್, ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳದ್ದು ತಂಟೆ ಅಪ್ಪಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ತಡೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, 1 ಮಗು 2 ಮಗು ಇದ್ದವರಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಅವರ ಚೇಷ್ಟೆ ಅವರ ತುಂಟತನ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಒಂದು ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 40-45 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇರುವಾಗ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ವಭಾವ, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಇರುವಾಗ ಬೈ ಇಮೋಷನ್ ಒಂದು ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಪೆಟ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅದು ಏನು ತಪ್ಪಮ್ಮ? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಮದರ್, ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿಯನ್ನು ತಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ನೀನು ಗುರುತು ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಮಗುವಿಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷೆ ಕೊಡೋ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಮ್, ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಇನ್ KMC, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಸ್ಟ್. ಅವಳು ಹೇಳಿದ್ಲು, ನೋ ಸರ್, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಗ್ರಿ, ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಮದರ್. ಈ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೇ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಸಾರಿ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸುತ್ತಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಂಬುಡಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಬಂಡೆಕಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಹೊಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಚಂಬುಡಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಚಂಬುಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಎನ್ ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಮದರ್ ಸೇಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಕೆನ್ ನೆವರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎ ಮದರ್ ಆರ್ ಶಿ ಕಾಂಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ಮದರ್ ಅಂತ ಅವಳು ಘಂಟಾಘೋಷವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಸಭೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಇವತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ, ಈಗ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್, ಪ್ರೀ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ 100ಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು, ಆರ್ ಯು ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ 100%? Put the questions to you. Are you really sincere? You would do some mistakes, knowingly or unknowingly. It is the duty of the teacher who teaches you the subject to correct you, pinpoint your errors. ಆ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಕೇವಲ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೊರಗೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ದೌರ್ಬಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಸರಿ ಮಾರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತೇನಿದೆ, ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳಿವೆ. ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳಿಲ್ಲದ ಬದುಕು ಅದು ನಾಯಿಯ ಬದುಕು. ನಾಯಿ ಕೂಡ ಬದುಕ್ತದೆ, ದನ ಕೂಡ ಬದುಕ್ತದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಿಜವಾದ ಮನುಷ್ಯತ್ವ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದಂಥ ಜೀವನ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು ಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೌಡ್. Our ancestors, our forefathers, they have laid down a very strong values. ಒಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಆಗ, ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಬೆಳೆಯುವ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಣಗಳನ್ನು, ಸದ್ಗುಣಗಳು, ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಆಚಾರ, ವಿಚಾರ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮೈಗೂಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳನ್ನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೀವಾಗಿಯೇ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ನಾಯಕರು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರಿಂಗ್ ನೀವು ಪಿನ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಪುರಾಣಿಕರ ಭಾಷಣ ಕಾರಣ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಂತಹ ಸಂಸ್ಕಾರ ಕಾರಣ. ದಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಬೀನ್ ಇಂಜೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಯು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ wherever my students go, Sharada students go, people say, some of my students may be here, I don't know, definitely, people say, we will identify you, your students are. They are much different from the rest. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಕೇವಲ ವಿಚಾರ, ನಾಲೆಜ್, ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗಿನ ಜೊತೆ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಮೌಲ್ಯ, ಜೀವನ ಮೌಲ್ಯ, ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಬದ್ಧತೆ, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಭಕ್ತಿ, ಸಮಾಜದ ಮೇಗಿನ ಕಳಕಳಿ, ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳ ಮೇಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆ, ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ದೆಸೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಉಣಿಸುವವ ಅವ ನಿಜವಾದಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್, ಸರ್ವೇಪಳ್ಳಿ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ತನ್ನ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬವನ್ನು ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಆಗಿ ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಫಿಲಾಸಫರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಟೀಚರ್. ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯ ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ನನಗೆ ಶಾರು ಸರ ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ನಾಯಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡುವಂತಹ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ಅದರ ಜೊತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶಿಸ್ತುಬದ್ಧವಾದಂಥ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ದರ್, ವಿತ್ ಲವ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು, with the greatest attachment with the group, Nayak family and the institution. I am here. Thank you very much, sir. Being a teacher, I have got, or all, anybody, any teacher, ಮೈಕು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಗಂಟೆಗಟ್ಟಲೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾಯಕರು ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಾಲ್ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಭಟ್ರು ಭಾಳ ಹುಷಾರು, 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪುರಾಣಿಕ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಕುಶ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮೀ.
Thank you, sir, for your words that have etched a lasting imprint on our hearts and minds. The greatest lessons are not taught, they are lived. And today, we get to hear some of them. May I now invite Professor B. Vinay Kumar from the Department of Mathematics.
ಪುರಾಣಿಕ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತುಗಳೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಟೀಚಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಪಡೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಶೇರ್ ಮೈ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟೆಲ್ 3-4 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಮೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್. I started my teaching career at Expert. In the beginning, I undergone a training program given by my guru, Narendra Naik sir, our chairman sir. The training program was wonderful. It's not about teaching, also life skills were taught in the class. It was a blend of all the subjects, and also music was introduced, and it was a great experience to attend his classes. Even now I would like to attend his class because every class is something new to us. Second one, it is about colleagues. I got wonderful colleagues at Expert, those who always think about the betterment of students and also betterment of institution, and in turn it's a national building program. It's my blessings to I'm blessed to have such colleagues, including management who is very supportive for any idea. Such a wonderful team we have at Expert. Third one, at Expert, the teaching makes you always keeps you young. I'm saying this because every one of us know that teaching is not an easy job. So much preparation is there, and we have to update ourselves in the subject, paper setting, timetable, all other things. In the class, handling the students, of course, it's not very easy because they might have seen our lessons pertaining to that particular topic through videos. So as our Puranik sir said, in the class, it's not delivering a content, but also making them attracted towards a lesson. That is more important. And that in an art form, it is done at Expert. That is, teaching is an art that is wonderfully delivered at Expert. So, in order to manage all this, both physical and mental health is very much important. That's why if teachers are not fit, they can't survive. That's why teaching will always keeps you young. We can see many teachers who might be old at age, but young by spirits. And the last point, it's be grateful to all the teachers and gurus who you come across in your lifetime. I would like to use this opportunity to thank all my gurus, starting from my mother to my professional guru, Chairman Sir, and many other teachers. I thank all of them for molding me and making me to reach this particular stage. Thank you one and all.
Today, we have the privilege of hearing from the driving force of our institution, our Honorable Chairman, whose unrelenting excellence has been our strongest foundation. Over to you, sir.
The Honorable Chief Guest and a great teacher, a very good administrator, 80 years old, young Professor M.B. Puranik, other dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and senior teachers like Professor Muditaya, Professor Rajagopal Bhatt, and other colleague teachers, my dear students, and all the teaching and non-teaching staff of Expert. Good afternoon, everybody. Saluting all my teachers from my school days up till the engineering. What I am today, it's because of them. I could have been still better. What prevented me in becoming still better is my negligence. My teachers were great. Everybody must feel this. And that will be your great asset, and that will take you further forward in life. Remember. See, there is a difference between living and leading life. Living, all creatures in this universe live. Leading life, only human beings like you and me, or unlike you and unlike me, can lead life. I said unlike because we may have drawbacks. The gap between live and lead life, it can be modified, it can be transformed from living and leading life is possible by good teachers. And that is the importance of a teacher in life. To the extent the people say a poor teacher just teaches, a great teacher inspires. With the assumption that there is an inspiring teacher, you must have unmoved faith by not talking in between with the teacher. Because the elders say that Haramunidare Guru Kaiva. If the God becomes angry on you because of your deeds, then the teacher will guide you. An inspiring teacher will guide you. See, you have done a mistake. It is not in the direction of good habits. God will become very angry and mend yourself. He guides, he or she guides, and you can make the God happy again. Hara means God in any form, all religion. Hara munidare guru kaiva. But it continues, Guru munidare hara kayalara. A inspiring teacher, if you make him or her angry, even if you pray thousands of gods, then it cannot be set right. You have to again go and apologize with the Guru only, not with anybody else. Remember, not only now, throughout your lifetime, you will get teachers of different forms. It can be a teacher who will teach you academically, or who will teach you in different art form, or who will guide you in the right direction when you have really gone wrong. And they are all gurus, and they are called inspiring gurus, and you should never forget, and you have to keep them in good books. On this particular occasion, I can say that you must think in your mind that you don't have any option but to be dedicated, with the assumption that you have to become a good human. I require utmost attention if you are seated in the auditorium. Good habit of listening you must inculcate in mind, and if not now, never. If you don't have that habit, you are unfit to be here. There is no other option but to have a dedicated life. Whatever you undertake, you must be dedicated. And then you can be successful in every facet of life if you are focused. And the best way to impress the teacher is to be focused in the class. Whenever class is going on, be focused. This is a class going on right now because a teacher speaks. You are all students, nothing other than that. Be focused, because one day you will get opportunity, may not be here, may be here or elsewhere. You have got to speak. Then you expect the audience to be a focused listener. To that extent you have got to speak effectively, and to that extent you have got to listen properly. Keluva kivi, spandisuva hridaya. If you don't have that, then we can't be successful. Remember that. This is the noblest profession. Teaching is the noblest. All developed countries treat teaching as the noblest profession. And if there is any indiscipline in any country, it is because the teaching profession has gone down drastically. That is the meaning. So, be responsible. The best way to serve this nation, one is join Indian Air Force or Navy or military force. That is second one. First one is by becoming a teacher, especially in the pre-university level. You know, and every teacher agrees with me. And let your goal be that. It can be something else, but this can also be one among them. Because there is a dearth for very good teachers, especially in the pre-university level. And we have been in this particular stream since 39 years, only pre-university level, only science education, which clearly says that there is a need for a good institution and good teachers. And all the teachers say one thing: whatever you think, same thing you speak, and whatever you speak, same thing you implement. Manasyekam, vachasyekam, karmanyekam, mahatmanaha. You will become successful in your mission. You will become a great human being if this matches. Manasyekam, vachasyekam, karmanyekam, mahatmanaha. On the other hand, manasyekam, vachasyekam, karmanyekam, duratmanaha. You think something, speak something else, and implement something else only. That is not good. It is not possible to become a good human being in such a case. All the teachers, they will be the happiest people when you become successful in life and when you become an asset to the country. The happiest people will be your parents, and equally happiest people will be your teachers. Teachers from your childhood until you learn. Remember that. And teachers will make you the difference of transformation from live life and lead life. With the assumption that you have to lead life, with the assumption that you have to be an asset to the country, all the teachers say one thing: you become doctors, you become engineers, you become scientists, anything is okay. you become teachers, anything is okay. But remember one thing, ಏನದರಾಗು ಮೊದಲು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಮಾನವನಾಗು. To become a good human being, teacher's guidance is a must. Wish you all the best. God bless you.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful address. Sir, your words are the strength that propels our journey. As we come to the close of this formal event, it is but apt that we pause to express our gratitude to all who made this possible. May I now invite Ms. Niharika R. Nayak, Secretary, Student Council, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening to one and all present here. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. I, Niharika Nayak, Secretary of the Student Council, consider it a great honor and privilege to extend the vote of thanks on this special occasion. I extend my heartfelt appreciation to our chief guest, a veteran educationist, Mr. M.B. Puranik, for adorning this celebration with your presence. Your stirring words have truly uplifted us and added meaning to this day. Thank you, sir. My sincere gratitude goes to our chairman, Professor Narendra L. Nayak. Sir, your vision and headship have laid the groundwork for everything we see around us. Thank you for guiding us onward. I would also like to acknowledge our Vice Chairperson, Dr. Usha Prabha N. Nayak, for her untiring support, enthusiasm, and supervision, which continue to strengthen the principle of our institution. Thank you, ma'am. We are deeply grateful to Mr. Ankush N. Nayak, our IT Director, and Ms. Deepika A. Nayak, our Architect, for their invaluable contributions that help to shape the growth and development of our college. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. A big thank you to our trustee members, Ustad Rafiq Khan, for taking your valuable time and being a part of our celebration. Thank you, sir. A special word of thanks to our principal, Professor Ramachandra Bhatt, whose reassurance and guidance make events like this possible. Sir, your relentless support stimulates us at every step. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank Mr. Vinay Kumar B., Academic Head, for his contributions. Thank you, sir. I also extend my warm thanks to our coaching head, Mr. Karunakar Balkur, and assistant coaching head, Mr. Pramod Kini, for their support. Today is dedicated to our beloved teachers. On behalf of all the students, I bow in gratitude to our teaching staff for their patience and selfless efforts. Thank you. A special thanks to Program Director, Mrs. Sandhya Rani, whose dedication has made this occasion so special. Thank you, ma'am. And dedication in making this celebration a grand success. Finally, a warm thank you to all the students present here today. Your presence adds joy and meaning to this occasion as we honor the guiding lights of our lives, our teachers. Once again, may this day be filled with joy, appreciation, and unforgettable memories. With that, I conclude. Thank you.
Thank you, Niharika. With this, we conclude the formal program. As we move into a more relaxed part of the session, I invite our honored guests on the dais to take their seats among the audience.
I, Danya,
And I, Dhamani, your host for today's program, will be signing off. Once again, we wish you all a happy Teachers' Day.
ये स्टेज के एंटरटेनर्स, ना सिलेबस ना टेस्ट का डर, सिर्फ हंगामा होगा दिल से खुलकर. A very good evening and a warm welcome to the cultural program of Teachers' Day 2025. Now, this is not any other cultural event because we, the teachers, who usually ask you to sit down, listen carefully, keep quiet, are now here to put up their best display on the stage. So brace yourself. We are not just walking in, we are taking an entrance. माइक हाथ में है, दिल में है जुनून, तो चलो शुरू करें मस्ती का मानसून. Get ready for the first event as we are here to witness the unleashed energy to flaunt our musical avatar. So put your hands together for our very own mentors as they are going to rock the stage. Now it's time for some fun and masti. So over to Prachi.
Everyone, and welcome to the most awaited segment of our celebration, the Ultimate Teacher Showdown. Yes, it's time for our beloved teachers to put down the lesson plans and pick up the game face. Because today, we're not just honoring your knowledge, we're celebrating your energy, your humor, your hidden talents, and your team spirit. Today, we're putting pause on teaching and pressing play on fun. So let's get started with our first blockbuster game of the day. I request the following teachers to kindly come on stage. Mr. Ankush N. Nayak, sir. Professor Ramchandra Bhatt. Mr. Karunakar Balkur. Mr. Pramod Kini. Mr. Satish Kamath K. Mr. Saurabh G. Anchan. Mr. Prithvi L.R. D'Souza. Mr. Vinay Kumar B. Mr. Deepak S. Mr. Bharat Chandra L. Mr. Prashant Pai. And Mr. Ruben D'Souza. Teachers, we've seen you correct papers, rule the blackboard, and even survive a class full of chaotic students. But can you handle a few crazy dance moves? Let's find out. Here's how the game works. We will have our teachers lined up, and our student, as the music starts playing, will show his dance moves to the first teacher in line. The rest of the teachers will still be facing towards their left. Then, the first teacher in line recreates the exact same dance moves to the second teacher in line, and the sequence continues till we reach the last teacher. So, are the rules clear, dear teachers? So, it looks like we can begin. Kindly turn towards your left. Do not turn until the previous teacher calls you.
जब लड़कों के दिलों में तू आग लगा दे बेबी फायर नकली से न करे तू करे जब देखे हमें झूठी लायर काला चश्मा जचता तेरे मुखड़े पे जैसे काला दिया जचता है तेरे चेहरे पे अपनी अदाओं से ज्यादा नहीं तो 10-12 लड़के तो मार ही देती होगी तू दिन में
जैसे 36 फिरते हैं मेरे वर्गी और न होनी वे वर्गी और न होनी वर्गी और न होनी तू मुट्ठा बिल्कुल ऐसी है मैं कटरीना तो सोनी
I request Deepak sir and the student to kindly come forward and show their dance moves. Wow, that was electrifying. electrifying. Our teachers indeed rock the dance floor with their amazing moves and unstoppable energy. Let's give it up for our dear teachers.
Yes, I'm sure you all had a great time. Now, let me ask a question to you all. Nothing related to academics. Do you all know that famous dialogue of the famous star, KGF star Yash? Yes, what's that? Yes, you're right. Naan barbavarage ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಹವಾ ನಾನು ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಂದೇ ಹವಾ. So, taking this line into note, we have our very own Rocky Boys to storm the stage with their hava. So, are you ready? Yes, teachers, the stage is all yours.
நடா இது சப்ப பீட்டு கொளுத்துங்கடா. மஜாபா மஜாபா. இதா 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 இதா. ஏய் ரெடிடா ஓடா. பாத்தி கம்மி ஓடே. ஓடே.
ಬನಾದ ಮ್ಯಾಗಳ ಚಂದ್ರಮ ಚೆಂಡಾಡಿದ ನಿಂಬಿಯ 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 ನಿಂಬಿಯ चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली पूरा के निंदिया कहाँ तू चली पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ पागल हुआ दीवाना हुआ कैसी ये दिल की लगी सुरकर का मुका मडम बोटे मारी कोडन कब दिल माटी उड़ी पिस्ता समागिरा सोमारी जमा गिराया पिस्ता समागिरा सोमारी जमा गिराया सुरकर का मुका मडम बोटे मारी कोडन
performance. Coming up next is something that you don't want to miss. अब तक आपने देखा है energy, अब देखिएगा magic. Hold on your breath, because coming up next is not just a performance, it is an experience.
जादू मंतर हाँ मंतर तुझा स्वैग ओजी ओजी हाय तुझी कमर एक नंबर तुझा शंभर शंभर पैकी एक नंबर तुझी कमर हाय चाल शेकी शेकी हाय किती सुंदर तुझा डिंपल जे पाहिजे take it मोठे मोठे तन माझा टांगो सकती वाते कटो ए बगे संदर कटा नंबर कटा बच्चे पटा पला जा बेला ना मोटा है सब
A guru teaches not only with words, but through her life and her energy. She is our strength, our inspiration, and our guiding star. One who believes in learning with joy and living with grace.
चांदनी से रूठ के घूंघट ही बना लो रोशनी से रूठ के आगे लौट लाओ चांदनी से रूठ के घूंघट ही बना लो रोशनी से रूठ के
मेरी सांसें मैं तो अपना ही सुर पाऊंगी है जो क्रेजी क्रेजी सपने मेरे सारे चुन के मैं भूल आऊंगी हमारा ऐसे दुनिया की हुई नहीं मैं अपनी दुनिया बनाऊंगी जिंदगी मेरी
वो अदाएं, wasn't that electrifying? And now it's time for some more fun. So over to Prachi.
With our second game for the day, I request the following teachers to kindly come on stage. Miss Zita D'Souza, Miss Shweta Suvarna, Miss Shri Vidya, Miss Soumya K.S., Miss Savita P., Miss Bhuvaneshwari Shetty, Miss Rakshita Prabhu, Miss Geeta Shri, Miss Yashoda, Miss Rashmi H., Mr. Bharat Chandra L., and Mr. Prashant Pai. Short clip of a popular song, Hollywood, Bollywood, or maybe even a classic tune you all love. Your job is to identify the item that matches the song and grab it the fastest. We will be dividing you into teams of 2. The first team consists of Miss Zita D'Souza, Miss Sri Vidya, Miss Soumya KS, Miss Bhuvaneshwari Shetty, Miss Yashoda, and Mr. Bharat Chandra L. Kindly stand on one side. The second team consists of Mr. Prashant Pai, Miss Shweta Suvarna, Miss Savita P, Miss Rakshita Prabhu, Miss Geeta Shri, and Miss Rashmi H. I hope the rules are clear. One teacher from each team will be coming forward, and who grabs the item the fastest will win a point for their team. So let's begin with the music.
शिमारू के नए वीडियोस के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को दबाना न भूलें।
Shweta ma'am, kindly come forward. Kindly dance to the beat. Let's give it up for her.
We just see which team wins.
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू, चलिया तू चलिया। मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू, बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब।
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ జాను ఈ రాజంగ్ నే కుయిను ముద్దాద లేడీ డాను ఇడి ఏరియా బ్యూటీ నీను
Let's give it up for Yashoda ma'am.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ జాను ఈ రాజంగ్ నే కుయిను ముద్దాద లేడీ డాను ఇడి ఏరియా బ్యూటీ.
Teachers, students are waiting to see you perform. Kindly dance on the beat.
ದೇವರೇ ಇವಳು ಚಂದಿರನ ಕೊನೆ ಮಗಳೇ ದೇವರೇ.
ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ. ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ.
बोलती हूँ मैं जब जोर जोर से, वो आह की आवाज है आती हर रोर से। मैं तो चलो इसका मच जाएगा होश वाले।
Team with the best moves also gains extra points.
मेरे फोटो को सीने से चिपका ले सिया।
Sirs, it's your turn now. We want the sirs grabbing the item this time. Sirs,
देखी है सारी दुनिया, जापान से लेके रशिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया से लेके अमेरिका।
Shri Vidya ma'am and Lakshmi
Sarigama
ma'am.
Karwa, the perfect
turn.
gift for your loved ones.
Shri Vidya ma'am.
बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी। बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी, उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी।
What chumka? What chumka? What chumka? What chumka?
Bharat sir and Prashant sir, kindly come forward. We wanted to be you picking out the item this time.
काजळ लावणे आले मी आज असं नका बघू अहो येते मला
All
लाज
teachers kindly gather around.
शृंगार आज घातलाय असाच दिसते मी भारी जाऊन सरा मी खास कुठे निघाली करते तुझे मोर निशी चाल साडी आणि लाल दिसते मी भारी राजा तो माझा साडी आणि लाल दिसते मी भारी राजा तो माझा झाला क्लोज आता वाईट मानवरती ओके राईट फोटो काढतो असा होणार ज्याने वातावरण ताईट मस्त खुशी मध्ये बायको माझी करीन पिलो फाईट माझा होऊ दे पगार गिफ्ट करतो रिंग लाईट नको मला चहा खारी पण करून सेलिब्रिटी तू मी तुझा बनून येणार सेल्फीसाठी क्राऊड मला फील होणार जाशील स्टावर लाईव्ह आणि मी कमेंट करत करीन कष्ट माझ्या पैशाने घेणार मेकअप किट राजा होणार मी इन्स्टाची स्टार हाय आडी आणि लाल लाल भारी राजा माझा किती क्यूट किती किती छान
Get up for all the teachers.
आदा माझी सिंपल नसले जरी डिंपल हिरोईन दिसते मी हिरोईन थोडे दिवस थांब अशी.
And we thank you, dear teachers, for being such a good sport. You have indeed showed us that fun has no age limit.
Go first, you all go. First, you all go.
ఇంతకన్నా మంచి పోలికేది నాకు తట్టలేదు గాని అమ్మో ఇలా పన్నీది బబ్లు గమ్ము అంటుకున్నదంటే పోదు నమ్ము ముందు నుంచి అందరన్న మాటే గాని మళ్ళీ అంటున్నానే అమ్మో ఇది చెప్పకుండా వచ్చే తుమ్ము ప్రేమ నా పలేవు నన్ను నమ్ము నన్ను చేరదీస్తే బుట్టబొమ్మ బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే అడ్డబొమ్మై కట్టుకుంటివే బుట్టబొమ్మ బుట్టబొమ్మ నన్ను చుట్టుకుంటివే అడ్డబొమ్మై కట్టుకుంటివే మల్టీప్లెక్స్లోని ఆడియన్స్ లాగా మౌనం కొన్నా గానీ అమ్మో.
Did we? Let all these memories be engraved in our heart. Thank you for being a part of this celebration.